Hello students, I am Dr. Mamta Gautam from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today we are going to discuss reverse osmosis, that is the water softening process. In this lecture, we will cover the osmosis, reverse osmosis, desalination of brackish water through reverse osmosis. First, I am going to discuss osmosis. Osmosis means flow of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of low concentration to high concentration. This is the osmosis process diagram. You can see here, this is the semi-permeable membrane. This is the fresh water contains low concentration. And this is the saline water, contains high concentration. Flow of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane, low concentration to high concentration. That is called as osmosis. This is the diagram of osmosis and reverse osmosis. You can see here, this is the semi-permeable membrane, low concentration, high concentration. If hydrostatic pressure in excess of osmotic pressure in the high concentration side, the flow of solvents gets reversed. That is called as reverse osmosis. High concentration to low concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. That is called as reverse osmosis. Flow of solvent from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration in presence of hydraulic, or you can say hydrostatic pressure in excess of osmotic pressure. The flow of solvent, that is, gets reversed. That's why it is called as reverse osmosis. This is the diagram. Fresh water contains low concentration. This is the semi-permeable membrane. It is made up of cellulose, acetate, acrylic, and nylon. Semi-permeable membrane. This is the high concentration of water. You can see solvent, that is saline water. Saline water contains high concentration. And this is the hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure in excess of Osmotic pressure is applied to the high concentration site. Flow of solvent gets reversed. High concentration to low concentration. This is the direction, or you can say flow of solvent. Saline to fresh water. High concentration to low concentration. That is called as reverse osmosis. Now, I'm going to discuss desalination of brackish water using reverse osmosis. Brackish water means होता है removal of salt from water. Water we can categorize with the help of dissolved salt concentration. If dissolved salt concentration contains less than 1000 ppm, that is fresh water. It contains greater than 1000 but less than 35,000, that is the brackish water. Sea water contains dissolved salt concentration that is greater than 35,000. Osmosis and reverse osmosis through we can remove impurities in water. But desalination of brackish water through reverse osmosis, we can remove the dissolved salt. This is the reverse osmosis cell. This is the hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure applied the high concentration side. And this is the semi-permeable membrane. As I told you before, it is made up of acrylic, nylons, cellulose acetate. And this is the outlet for pure water. Brackish water, fresh water, hydrostatic pressure applied to which side? Brackish water sides. Flow of solvent gets reversed. Brackish water to fresh water. Fresh water contains low concentration and brackish water contains high concentration contaminant. That is called as desalination of brackish water to reverse osmosis. These are the advantages of this process. The process is promising for the future because it requires extremely low energy for consumptions. It is simple and reliable process. Capital and operating expenses are very low. The life of semi-permeable membrane is about 2 years and it can be easily replaced within a few minutes. It is relatively energy efficient, low temperature required for the operation. These are the advantages. Now I'm going to discuss applications of this process. It is used to purify drinking water, treatment of wastewater, desalination, reclamation of minerals, and processed water used for certain cosmetics, drugs by pharmaceutical manufacturers, ice making, and kidney dialysis. These are the references Thank you.